Hello friends, welcome to Learn24. In this video, we are going to see how to download Python, the perfect way or the actual way you have to do it. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. So let's see. The first method is direct download from the Microsoft. And the second one is you have to go to the python.com and you have to download the file from there. So let me give you the proof that I deleted everything. I can write Python. So do you see anything? No, right? So I deleted it. Okay, let's show it on the CMD also. So here we should, when I typing Python, it should give a interface of the Python. No, it's not giving, right? So, and then we have to check if the pip is working. For kind information, pip is a thing by which we can download Python modules, sorry, packages. Okay. So as you can see, I already understood completely the Python extension, right? So what we will do, simply go to the Microsoft Store, right? It will take some time. Just type Python. Yeah. So simply type that, and here you can see you have numerous operation options, right? So the genuine one is over here, which is Python 3.13, which is the latest one. And now I think 3.14 is going to release or already released. It was dated of December 2025. So let's simply click it. I'm going to fast forward this. Okay. As you can see, it's already done. So we are going to simply open it. Let's close this. Yeah, it is opened over here. Okay, let's print something. Obviously, we are like coders. We do this. All right. So it is working, and let's check whether it is connected to our CMD also, right? So Python, yeah, it's working. Great. Exit. Let's check whether the pip also is working or not. It is also working. So you have completely or like perfectly downloaded your Python. Let's ideally also we can check that also. So as you can see, it is also sorry, it is also working, right? So this is the perfect way, which is the first one, right? So before that, we will, yeah, it is working, right? Completely all, it's completely working. No. As you can see, we completely downloaded the Python. So now we are going to uninstall it and we are ready to move to our second option, which is download and do the things on your own, right? So we will delete it, like uninstall it. Cool. Let's uninstall this also. Then why it is showing? Yeah, it should not show. As you can see, it is not showing. But yeah, it is not showing. Okay. So now we will download and using a browser. Just type Python. Right? Just type Python. Go to like we want to download it, right? So simply go there and let's download. Yeah, Windows installer for this. Yeah. So I think we did a like wrong download in our previous download. We have to download it again. Let's download it. Let's open from here. Yeah. So we need to install it. Setup in progress. If you want to practice, like it will take some time. Let's give it tips. If you want to practice Python, or if you want to see the documentation, you can simply write Python documentation. Here you can see, here's the Python documentation. Here you can see versions, libraries, and tutorials, everything. For practice, every libraries, you can visit HackerRank or LeetCode, or if you want to get the note, you can see Python from the Geeks of Geeks. There are the three platforms I would refer. Okay. Yeah, it is completed. No, I want just to complete it. Okay, it's still installing. Okay, yeah, let it go. It is set up. Just close it and let's test Python. We're having the Python over here, and let's cmd Python. Yeah, it's working. Exit. Let's do pip install NumPy. Okay, pip is not mentioned over here. So same step. Go to your C drive. Go to user Lenovo. Then the thing I said, now you have to click over here, show hidden files, like hidden items, app data, then local. After that, search for programs. There. Here you can see Python and Python 314. Go to script and copy this path. After that, go to environment variables and like edit the system environment variables. Click over there. Go to environment variables and click on path and click on edit. We want to add a new path, right? So click on new and simply Control plus V. Then click OK. Okay, then OK. So let's test cmd pip install numpy. So as you can see now it's done. It's downloaded. Through this cmd you can download anything. So now you learned how to install it completely, right? Okay, I simply cut it right. Let's do that again. Cmd pip install numpy. Let's wait it to complete. Oh, it's already exists. That means it is installed. So now let's wind up this video as you learned how to download direct from Microsoft like Store and download from the original website. So it's your job to click the subscribe button and click the bell icon also. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.